Hello everyone, this is Sarita and Kamal. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to take you to one of the most beautiful temples in Malaysia, the Batu Cave, and list down 5 reasons why you must visit this temple. Subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram to stay updated. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Located in Gombak, Selangor, about 13 kilometers north of Kuala Lumpur city, Batu Caves is a limestone hill that has a series of caves and cave temples. Starting with the first attraction, the tallest Lord Murugan statue in the world. Upon reaching the entrance, the first thing that draws your attention is the 140 feet golden statue of Hindu deity Lord Murugan guarding the caves. This is the tallest Lord Murugan statue in the world. It serves as a landmark that attracts visitors from the world over to the Batu Caves. It took 3 years to build this massive statue and was unveiled in January 2006. The Lord Murugan statue is made of 1550 cubic meters of concrete, 250 tons of steel bars and 300 liters of gold paint brought in from neighboring Thailand. The project cost approximately 250 million rupees. Towards the right of Lord Murugan's statue lies the second attraction, a colorful staircase leading to the entrance of the Batu Caves. Climbing 272 stairs can be a bit tiring for some, but once you make it to the top, you will be amazed with the beauty that lies inside the cave. This brings us to the third attraction, the cave itself. Considered an important religious landmark by Hindus, Batu Caves is a 400 feet high limestone hill comprising 3 main caves and a few smaller ones. The biggest, referred to as Cathedral Cave or Temple Cave, has a high vaulted ceiling with an opening that leads up to the jungle and the sky above. Inside the cave are several ornate Hindu shrines with Hindu deities. Batu Caves is a fascinating location that also caters to non-religious visitors. The limestone hill contains a diverse range of cave fauna, including some unique species. One can spend hours exploring the natural vistas and many temples tucked away in the Batu Cave complex. In addition to the main Murugan temple inside the cave, the complex houses a dark cave and 2 more cave temples at the base of the hill, Art Gallery Cave and Museum Cave, both of which are full of Hindu statues and paintings. Towards the left there is a Ramayana cave and can be easily identified by looking at the huge Lord Hanuman idol. There is a lot to see and explore at Batu Caves, so whether devotional purpose or a will to have a feel of countryside life, you must visit the famous Batu Caves. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and found the information useful. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such videos. And we will see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.